right outside of Waco off of I-35. I'm heading down to Laredo with the hazmat load. A bunch of pallets of paint, basically, and then I have a load that after I drop to go pick up in Laredo that's heading back up to Lafayette, Indiana. So we did decide to take that other load that was picking up. It doesn't drop till Tuesday, but with it being a holiday weekend, we didn't want to miss out on getting a load. So I guess we're going to be running over the weekend. I'm not really sure, you know, if we were going to like deadhead, bang it out and get there in one day. I think it's really going to depend on if we can get our electric bikes out around the pieces back there. If we can get our bikes out, then we're definitely going to bang it out. So we have a couple days that we can ride. I know you don't really know much about the fact that we have electric bikes, but we do. And I'll try to get a clip of them inserted in here where you can see what they look like. But when we have weekends down, we try to ride around everywhere, get out of the truck. It's so much fun. But anyway, I just want to jump on here for a few minutes before I had to take over while I'm doing my checking everything on the truck, you know, my DVR. So I'll check back in when I get there to get offloaded.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you might see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough, yeah.
Alright, so we dropped our load. We're out of Petro. And just getting ready to take a shower. As usual, the APU stops working. It's throwing the alternator symbol. I noticed when we were at the Thermo King, the belt looked kind of messed up, so I bought another belt in case. So I'm hoping when I take the cover off that the belt broke and it's not like an alternator issue. So hopefully the belt broke and we'll change the belt and get back going. It's really not that hard to do, but just gotta take the cover off. This case is a little different than what you usually see. So we had to buy this case because our other one messed up, fell off halfway down the road, so we ordered this one.
Close up of that?
Yeah.
Shredded.
Well, my guess is it's the belt.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's definitely shredded. Well, I would think that it couldn't be the alternator because everything on there is new.
Alright, well, it's not the end of the world. Just gonna take the
I wonder if you can get that on without having to take the bottom.
Take the bottom off.
You are. Need to get down here so we can see. Looks like the first thing that he's doing is he's finding a socket that will fit on the tension bar.
There's a bolt here. There's a bolt right here on the compressor where this tension bar is bolted, and then there's one right here holding the alternator. So we're gonna have to loosen up this tension bar. Maybe you'll just have to take this one loose, probably, and then loosen up that bolt so the alternator will move. And then we should be able to pry the belt on there. If not, we may have to take this one loose a little bit, but we're going to try to do it with just loosening those up.
What size is
That's
that?
going to be a different size up there.
We should
I need a short socket to go in there. This one back here is a 1/2 inch on the underside on the pry bar. That's a 1/2 inch.
Oh, what do you need? This big one?
Yeah. Top is an 11/16. Alright, we got that loose, so it should move now. Now I need to find my pry bar.
It's on the other side.
Top pulley and then around the compressor. Get it as centered as best you can. Once you get the belt centered on all the pulleys, change that to tight. You can see that right there. That's a little knob for a pry bar. So when you get your pry bar in there, and you can push down to tighten your belt up. And then you can tighten that up while you're holding it. It's a little awkward, but usually Becky will do this part. And
You need me to hold it?
no, I think I got it.
And how tight do you want it?
you don't want to like really crank it down. You don't want it really tight, but you don't want a lot of play in it. Like, I think you can pull about an inch in it right there.
Okay.
If you look from where it's at, pull it down about an inch. That's probably good. And then gotta tighten the one back up here. That one was a half inch.
And just like that, a new belt.
It's that simple. It's really not a big thing. It's one of the simpler things you can do in Thermo King. You take it to them, you're looking at least an hour or two of labor, which is probably $350, $400, and then another $80 to $100 for the belt. So for this job right here, Thermo King is going to charge you between $300 and $500. And you can easily do it yourself. I mean, you've seen how quick and simple that was. We're going to turn the APU on and make sure it's good, and then if everything's good, I'm gonna put the case back on it and we'll be good to go. It's just now kicking on. There's the fuel pump. We did get a late start to the week thanks to the truck and the APU and all that. So,
I mean, it is amazing. We have cold air again. We're not sitting here sweating like pigs.
Yeah, it's awesome. You can't live out here. If anybody that does this, you know, I mean, in the summer,
It's hot.
the AC, you can't be out here without an APU. You can if you can idle your truck, I guess, but then you're gonna have issues with your truck. So, all right, well, I guess I'm gonna get it moving. We'll talk to you in a bit.
Let's get these miles rolling.
Becky stopped this morning and got our truck washed at a Blue Beacon. And if you've seen what it looked like before, you'd probably be pretty impressed by this because it does look pretty decent. For a 2014 anyway. That looks pretty good.
Our Mira is not clean. Our Mira, it's not straight. Somebody put this. Where is it?
Oh, that's right.
It doesn't look like it's right.
they seen what it looked like before, they'd probably be pretty impressed right now.
Yeah, I should have took a before of it. It was disgusting.
But before we do the swap, it's Taco Bell, grab something to eat. Maybe walk in there and grab an energy drink and then head on up.
To be honest, I think it's right in front of us. To the left of us, coming this way, I don't know. You can't see a tornado at night. That's the bad thing. It could be behind us right now. It could be beside us. But they don't send out messages like that for no reason. That means there's a tornado on the ground. Look at the wind, man. Oh, this is scary. Flying debris, mobile homes will be destroyed, damage to roofs, windows, vehicles. Too bad you can't park us between two tractors, because that would be the safest thing to do, but there isn't two tractors.